Belgium has officially confirmed plans to acquire the Skyranger family of short-range air defense systems as part of a comprehensive military modernization effort outlined in the Strategic Vision 2025 framework. This ambitious plan sets Belgium's defense priorities and investment strategies through 2034, focusing heavily on meeting NATO's operational capability requirements. The Skyranger purchase will restore Belgium's ground-based air defense capabilities, which were largely dismantled in the aftermath of Cold War drawdowns. While precise details remain under wraps, Belgian media sources indicate an order of around 20 Skyranger units. Produced by Germany's Rheinmetall Air Defense AG, the Skyranger 30 variant features a rapid-firing 30mm revolver cannon with a 3 km effective range, capable of firing up to 1,200 rounds per minute. It utilizes advanced airburst munitions that release tungsten subprojectiles to maximize effectiveness against small, fast-moving aerial threats. The turret can also be paired with short-range missiles like the Stinger, Mistral 3, or MBDA's Defend-Air system, extending engagement distances up to 9 km. Sophisticated sensor suites include 360-degree 3D radar coverage and infrared tracking, allowing for both isolated and network defensive operations. The final configuration for Belgium, whether the lighter Skyranger 30 or the heavier Skyranger 35, and which vehicle platform will host the system, has yet to be revealed. Across NATO, several countries have integrated the Skyranger on diverse platforms. Germany mounts them on Boxer 8x8 vehicles, Austria uses Pander EVO 6x6 chassis, Denmark adapts Piranha V-wheeled vehicles, the Netherlands prefers tracked ACSV platforms, and Hungary is developing a Lynx KF-41 variant. Production and assembly proposals include multiple European sites, while suppliers like Lummelbird Photonics Sweden AB will deliver laser rangefinders integral to the system's targeting capabilities. The Skyranger acquisition forms a key component of Belgium's wider €34.2 billion defense investment portfolio, which also encompasses a new naval frigate, unmanned drones, helicopter fleets, and thousands of armored and logistic vehicles. Additionally, the plan aims to boost personnel numbers and reserves, establish enhanced medical facilities, and improve overall conditions for service members. Air defense modernization is a central pillar of the Strategic Vision 2025, which includes procurement of 10 NASAMS batteries and plans for long-range missile systems such as the Patriot or SAMP/T, pursued in collaboration with the Netherlands. Belgium also intends to expand its inventory of Polish PO-run manpads and participate in a multinational Mistral 3 missile acquisition. The reintroduction of short-range ground-based air defense through Skyranger systems addresses a long-standing vulnerability, with critical national infrastructure previously exposed due to the absence of such capabilities since the early 2010s. Belgium's renewed defense commitments come ahead of the June 2025 NATO summit, where member nations will discuss future spending and force structure. Defense expenditure is projected to increase steadily to 2.5% of GDP by 2034, although this remains short of NATO's 3.5% target set for 2035. Discussions continue regarding funding mechanisms, including capital gains tax implementation required for further F-35 fighter purchases. Belgium currently operates 34 F-35A jets, with debates ongoing about acquiring additional units. The Skyranger integration underscores Belgium's strategic move to rebuild a layered, interoperable air defense network aligned with NATO and European defense initiatives. This system, combined with NASAMS, Patriot or SAMP/T batteries, and manpads, will enhance the country's ability to counter a spectrum of airborne threats from drones to ballistic missiles. Although specific platforms and timelines are still to be finalized, the government emphasizes that these investments will strengthen operational readiness and enable flexible deployment within NATO frameworks, ultimately bolstering Belgium's role in collective defense and deterrence.